I fished, well, not in every place, but I fished
What place
in
have you enjoyed fishing most in?
Texas. And then that one that just went off. You heard the rod screaming? Screaming?
Yeah, I heard it. It was running with that.
Yeah,
I
that's
got
that
him.
big one right there.
Hold on.
That's that big one, isn't he?
He's a decent
That
size
rod
one.
is bending. Woohoo!
Probably the biggest one yet, no?
Big
That's our
snapper.
biggest
Bring
one
him over
left,
here.
yeah.
Bring him over this way, Iggy.
Hey!
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
Decent size for a
Decent
pan
size.
or something.
That's a pan fryer.
Yeah.
You
yeah,
can
it's
eat
a
that.
little one.
Yeah, yeah. Oh,
You can
yeah.
put him in a pan.
You could definitely put them in a pan, and you can definitely fillet this meat off. There.
Yeah.
Put some oyster soy sauce on it, and do some sashimi.